Hello buddies, so in this video we are going to see about how to make a custom shape in a Jetpack Compose. So we are going to use the draw method to draw the shape inside the Jetpack Compose. So how we are doing that, how we can do that, what are the possibilities to do that, all those things we are going to do in this video. So let's see, let's jump into the video first of all. So there is, first of all, let me create one box, okay. So inside the box we have a modifier. So in this modifier you can see like we have a lot of options like drawWithCache, drawBehind, drawWithContent. So these are all there, and we have some other items also like drawCache and all those things, okay. So with this one, so it's like before going to do this one, okay, with this one drawWithCache, okay. So drawWithCache, what this function will do is whatever we are going to draw inside this function, it will take it as a catch, which means we don't want to redraw everything wherever we are going to use this function. So it will draw only once in the first time, and the drawing will be as a catch. The drawing means it's not an exact drawing, it will be a path. So it will be a path of shapes, okay. So the path of shapes or something, it will store it at a catch. It will take it as a catch, so the reference will be in a catch. So whenever we are reusing this function, it won't calculate the drawing each time. So it will allocate, and it will give some space for us. So it will avoid recalculating the path. So this function drawWithCache function will do that. So you have other functions also, the drawBehind and drawWithContent. So those are all will recalculate every time. It will be like one time process. Every time it will recalculate the path and it will give for you. But drawWithCache, it won't give you like that. So whatever the calculations we are putting inside to draw some particular shape or particular clip art, something like that, we don't want to, it won't calculate again, we are using in multiple places, okay. So the same thing, it will take it as a catch. It will avoid the recalculating time for this path, okay. So that is the one thing with this draw function catch. So it is the advantage of draw catch with the other drawing function. But what this draw catch function will do, so actually the draw catch function will do it will help to form a shape in a Jetpack Compose. So we want to form some shape or form some clip arts like inside the Jetpack Compose or inside this component or behind the component, after the component, means this with this draw catch function we can do it. So it will have a return function. So you can see draw result. So we are going to return a result of draw result. It is like draw path, okay. So draw path, so whatever we are calculating in that path, it will show based on our calculation, it will be behind or it will be opposite, like that, okay. So this draw function, overall the draw function will help to draw something like clip art or whatever it is, okay. So drawWithCache will help, as I said, actually it will catch that one, and other function it won't catch, like that, okay. So for especially inside this drawWithCache function, so we have three things. So not three things, so mainly three things we have that, okay. So what are the things like on drawBehind, on drawContent, okay. So on drawBehind, it will return the draw result which this one needed, and on drawContent, so this will also retain the same thing, okay. So and on draw also one will be there, okay. So on draw is, it won't be here, on draw will be here. So it will become here, okay. So what this drawBehind will do is, it will draw whatever we are drawing behind the content of this box, okay. So if I am having this text, okay, for example I am telling, okay. So if I am having this text box inside this box, means, so in this drawBehind, whatever I am draw, if I did a calculation, I form some path over here, and I am using the path to show the draw. I am showing the path inside this drawBehind, means it will show behind the text view. Behind means the text view will be visible to you, behind this text view it will show, okay. So if it is in the drawWithContent, means, so it will have options like we can do it like, so draw content. Okay, so draw content means, so this is like flexibility of the content, so which means whatever we are doing before, this will be draw behind. Okay, this will be, sorry, so whatever, this will be draw after, this will be draw behind. Okay, so first one will be the first layer, this one will be the content, and this one will be the last layer. So this is how it will work. Okay, so this is for flexibility. So what which we want something to make it flexibility means, flexibility, you want to play with the shapes inside the div back and front, like that means you can use this draw with content. Okay, otherwise it was like, so this is for, so if it is catch, you have to use the function like this. So you don't want to catch the path means, you can directly use like draw catch, draw behind, draw with content. So you can use the functions directly like this. Okay, so you don't want to go to the catch functions if you don't want to recalculate or something. So recalculating some places if you need means, you can use it like that. Okay, so this is how the draw behind and the what is draw catch method and draw behind will work like that. So actually you have a lot of other methods also, like draw rectangle. Okay, where is it? I think modifier dot draw rectangle will be there. Okay, so I think we have to implement some dependencies. So for this itself, so for this itself, you have to add the dependency which is called the shape dependency. Okay, so this graphics shape 1.0.2, so this one. Okay, so the dependency you need to implement, and then only we can draw something. We are going to form some shapes over here. Okay, other than this, we have a draw rectangle, circle, overlay, path, arc. So all those things we are having in the modifier. Okay, so you can use it whenever you want. So for now, I just explained what is draw behind and draw catch. Okay, so those things we have already seen that. Okay, and on draw method also is there, on draw direct method is there. Okay, so we can use it like that. Okay, so we are going to form a rectangle. So it's like, so we have shape like, okay, rounded polygon, rounded corner. Okay, like that, rectangle and circle and circuit circle, cut circle. So all those things will be there. So all those things we can use it. So I'm just going to follow the Android Android blog which they gave for this one. So I'm just going to follow that same thing, so it will be easy for you to understand for the basic things. Okay, so for that we are going to form one polygon. Okay, so to draw the polygon, I'm just going to create rounded polygon. Okay, rounded polygon, we have a rounded polygon. Okay, so polygon, it is based off the vertices, right? Okay, so polygon means it will be like this. So how many vertex we need, we have to give the count. Okay, first I just number of vertex, I am giving the number of vertex count. So okay, so in the polygon you can see the parameters. So if you go here the polygon, so you can see the number of vertex. Okay, number of vertex, which how many vertex you want, you need to give, and radius, center x, center y, rounding. So all those things, if rounding needed or pre-vertex, so all those things you can give based on your need. Okay, so I'm going to give radius, where is that, radi radius. Okay, radius will be size slash minimum dimension, sorry, dot minimum dimension slash 2. So okay, so the size is like, it will come from the catch function. Okay, catch function will have the size. Okay, so from that catch we can take the minimum and these things. Okay, so then center x is like size dot width slash 2. So because whole width center means the center x should be in the center, for that I'm doing center y size dot height slash 2. Okay, So it will be like in the whole center, the center will be, it's like a graph. So center point will be means it is a center pivot point. Based on this pivot point, the drawing will be surrounded that. Okay, so this is how it will work. So that's why I'm giving. So if you don't want to give it in center, you want to give it in the top, means you can give the here as a 0, or you can give this one if you want to in the bottom, means you can, the center will be in the bottom. So that's why based on that, it's around the full calculation of the screen, so you have to give it like that. Okay, so once it is done, okay, so we have a rounded poly vertex. So from this we need to take a path. Okay, so from this we need to take a path, like we have rounded path. Okay, I'm going to take a path like rounded polygon dot to path. Okay, so there will be a function called to path. So but this doesn't sufficient for us, so we have to convert this path to a compose path. Okay, to compose, sorry, as compose path. Okay, so we are going to take this path as a compose path. Now we can use this one to draw inside drawBehind. Okay, so inside drawBehind I'm going to, okay, so you can see here draw arc, draw image, draw rectangle, draw circle, line, overlay, path. So everything, all the methods are available inside here, so you can use it anything. Okay, so what is the draw path? Okay, in the draw path I'm going to give the rounded path. Then you can give any colors. Color, I'm just giving black for now. Okay, you can give any color, whatever the color you want. So I'm just commenting this one, and I'm just rerunning this. Okay, rerunning this, then you can see what we are having inside over here. So we can change this color to white. Okay, okay, so it is running. So let's see, it is coming, it is showing the preview. Yeah, so you can see it over here. So it is very small. Okay, so we actually we don't want, I don't want to do like that, so I forgot to give like fill max size. Okay, so now I am giving like that. Let's see, so you can see it over here, we form the polygon. So this is a 6 vectors polygon, so it is like that. So if you want if you give 3 vertex, means that will be a triangle. Okay, so if so this is how like that. So black one, this is item like, so this is drawBehind. Okay, so if you want to I am just going to say do the same thing in here. Okay, drawBehind this content. So in this content, so if I am giving over here, this one is a draw after one, so I'm just running it again. Okay, I just ran it, so the text will be like that. Okay, so I'm just cut this one, and I'm giving after this draw content. Okay, let's see this time. So how it I'm just running again. Let's see, so I gave this time, I gave after this one. Okay, so the draw content will be the whatever which is inside the block one. Okay, which is inside the block one, that is the draw content. Okay, so that's why it is like that. Okay, so this is, you can see now the draw content is not showing. So when I am giving the when I gave backside, it is show, this draw content works, and this item title is showing. So when I gave after one, it is not showing. So actually this is wrong. This is the behind section, this is the after section. Okay, so this will be formed in the front, that will be from in the back. So it will be like lower, upper. Okay, so whatever I am giving above this, it will go backside. Whatever given after this, it will come front. Okay, so this is the content. So if I am not giving this draw content, the text won't form. Okay, so we don't want the front side, I'm just giving this in the back side. Okay, so the thing is this is for flexibility. So if you want to only do, you need to do for the background layout only, means you can do it over here. So you want to do inside or compatible direct, means you can do it over here also. Okay, so you can do anything like that. Okay, so then yeah, so we'll just change the vertexes. So it will have another one thing also, you can see it like rounding, right? So we can see rounding, corner rounding. So corner rounding, like you can give radius. Okay, radius like float means 0.2, 0.3 f, like that. Then smoothing, okay, smoothing like 0.5 f. Okay, so I'm just giving, and let me refresh again. So this is drawing, right? So drawing will take time, so that's why we need to do every time out of date it will going. So this time I just gave rounding. So once the rounding gave, we'll see the corners. How about this three, six corners? Rounding, we need to give the limits up. So okay, we 1 2 3 or not 0 to 1 actually. So it is like 0.4, whatever we can give. We can increase the rounding thing and the smoothing thing. So now if you want any, so it is like a vertex, right? So if you want a triangle means we can give here 3, and if we run this one will become a triangle right now. So it will be a triangle, and you can use the triangle for anything, and you can adjust the triangle also, so however you want, and you can draw. We have other drawing things also using this, so you can just increase this shape radius means it will go inside this triangle. Zoom in will corners will smoothen very more, so you can use it like that. So this is for a small introduction for drawWithCache and drawBehind. What are the shape we can do it like that. So in next one we will deep dive into it, what are the major good shapes we can do it, and what are the use of do it, and what how to simplify and how this one effectively work in our Jetpack Compose project. Okay, so we will see this one in the next video. Okay, yeah, thank you.